In this video, I will show you how to make oatmeal easily. I will show you an option for cooking oatmeal in water instead of milk, because it makes cooking it easier and faster. Let's start. Step 1. You need to decide how much oatmeal you want to make. In general, it is recommended to cook about 30 to 50 grams depending on your goals and preferences. If you do not have a kitchen scale, this is about 3 to 5 tablespoons. Currently, I put 30 grams of oatmeal per serving. I need to make porridge for 2 servings, so I put 60 grams. I also measured that 100 grams of oatmeal has an approximate volume of 225 milliliters. Step 2. You need to decide how much water to use. For 30 grams of oatmeal, I usually use 200 milliliters of water. As a result, I have oatmeal of a moderate consistency, not too thick and not too thin. If you don't have a measuring cup, you can use a scale. 200 milliliters of water equals 200 grams. If you don't have a scale, use your scale. Put the water approximately, it's not that critical. Step 3. Pour the required amount of water into the pan and put it on the stove. For 2 servings, I pour 400 milliliters of water. Since water does not burn like milk, I turn on a high heat. Cover with a lid for faster boiling. There's no need to stir the water. If you want to make oatmeal with milk, the difference will be that you need to boil the milk on low heat and you will need to stir the milk until it boils. When the water boils, remove the lid, reduce the heat to low, pour the oatmeal into the water and stir immediately. After adding the oatmeal, you need to bring back to a boil, stirring occasionally so it doesn't burn. This takes about a minute or 2. For the benefit, it is not recommended to add salt or sugar, just water and oatmeal, or milk and oatmeal. But you can add a banana crushed with a fork and put it together with the oatmeal at the same time. This almost does not change the recipe. When the porridge starts to boil, stir and set a timer for 5 minutes. Set another timer for 30 or 35 seconds to remind you to stir. Stir and repeat this timer until the end of cooking. One stir takes about 5 to 10 seconds. It is recommended to use a steel pan with a double bottom and a wooden spatula for stirring. Aluminum and plastic utensils are not recommended. If you want, you can make the heat a little lower than I have now so that the porridge cooks more slowly. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove. Pour the porridge into a plate. Set the timer for 10 minutes and let the porridge cool during this time. It is not recommended to eat porridge very hot. With 60 grams of oatmeal and 400 grams of water, I got 348 grams of finished oatmeal. So 112 grams of water evaporated. After 10 minutes, you can eat oatmeal. Chew well for easier digestion and greater benefits. Oatmeal is very healthy, even without any additives. Be healthy, stand strong, and subscribe to my channel. See you later.